Let's take a look at this underdesk wire management kit from Xpatee. The kit comes with 2 trays, 4 brackets, and nuts and bolts. It also includes hook and loop straps, or what most people refer to as Velcro straps, to bundle your cables. And it also comes with these little adhesive plastic buttons with cord channels for organizing the cords on your desk. And I just use a laptop with no monitors, but I do have camera and audio gear, and it all looks so much better after installing this kit. I wish I'd taken a before shot to compare, but sorry, I'm not going back and messing it up for this video. And seriously, after getting this phase of my organization project complete, I've gone out of my way more than a few times today to just admire how much improved this desk is by these wire trays. I'm not sure why I put it off for so long. But let's be honest, this is definitely a value cord management kit. The assembly and materials were chosen to be economical. The quality is okay, but don't expect this to be top of the line. Just for example, the welded assembly of this bracket doesn't give me total confidence that it can take a lot of stress. And yeah, there are probably higher end designs for attaching the baskets to the brackets than by using these tiny screws and bolts. But I'm an optimistic person by nature, and I decided to spend my money on more camera gear instead of high end wire management. So here we are, and it's working perfectly. And I was pleasantly surprised. The kit included the desk cord management buttons and the Velcro straps, which are really nice extras. They helped me finish the project and made everything come together so much better than it would have without them. So I'm genuinely happy overall. It's not a great kit, but it's definitely good enough, and it does what it promises. I hope this little video has helped you decide whether or not to purchase this wire management kit. Thanks for watching.